What's up, y'all? Just wanted to speak a little motivation. No matter what you go through in life, don't give up. You got this. What's the point of giving up whenever you've already gotten started? Y'all answer that question. Because once you start a journey, you gotta finish it. And you gotta achieve that mission that you put yourself on, you feel me? I didn't get here by just playing around. I got here by doing what I was supposed to do. So I believe you could do it too. Like, share, and follow for more content, y'all. Cause I'm here to motivate you and let you know you can do it, man. I don't know. Maybe this will work, maybe this won't. Y'all stay tuned, man. Hey, do me a favor. Matter of fact, nah, you good. Oh, you're already out there. See, they didn't move. Huh? You was able to see me in the mirror? Huh? I could probably get out. Fuck it, I'm an asshole, bro. Oh, thank you, bro. I greatly appreciate you, man. Sorry for waking you up, man. Let's go, bro. Let's get out of here. Is it blinking red?
Yeah.
All right, cool. We recording, man. Excuse my day, y'all. Alright, y'all. Good morning, peoples, man. It's your boy Don, and it's 1 o'clock in the morning. And And everybody just doesn't know where to park, so they find their own places to park. We about to get this money, so y'all tune in and lock in with your boy Don and Ken Ryan here, man.
What's up?
Woo! We out here, man. Y'all tune in.
It's all Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata. No more worries in this life, cause today I got some dollars in my dollars and dollars. What a wonderful phrase, it's all Hakuna Matata. So today I'm giving thanks, it's all Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata. No more worries in this life, cause today I got some dollars and my dollars got dollars. What a wonderful phrase, it's all Hakuna Matata. Cause I pray for sunny days. I'm so high like I got pussy on some plane. And I'm not high off powder cause I don't do cocaine. Maybe this is higher power, music notes inside my brain. And the only reason why is to escape from all this pain. Cause my brother died, my mother cried, my father has no face. And I never seen him one time but I don't feel no shame. Cause I love my son and daughter and they call me by my name. They always happy when they see me, put a smile on their face. Yes, I will always be there for them, life will always change. And that's how you know it's true love even when they make mistakes.
Hey, what's up, y'all? We on the road, on the way to where we going? Missouri. We're leaving Seymour, Indianapolis, going to Missouri. This load is 600 miles, straight up 600 miles. Truck's running great. We may have to stop and get some more diesel, but yeah, truck's running pretty great. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, so our day should actually end around 12, 1 o'clock. I see on my clock here, on my GPS, we should get to our destination at 11:26. So 12 o'clock, we should make it to our destination. Hopefully, they'll take this load. That'll be nice to get this load out the way. Yeah, you know, that would definitely be nice to get this load out the way. But y'all definitely stay tuned. We're definitely locking in on this one. And yeah, man, like I said, like and subscribe, cause hey, that's the only way we're gonna succeed here, y'all. If y'all like and y'all subscribe. All right, y'all, tune in.
For better days, cause I need you, we need better days. Cause I'm praying for better days, cause I need you, we need better days. A lot of my days I'm just like off in the haze, and I'm not dropping no names, but we not talking again. And I feel lost and insane, and there's no stopping the rain. And it's just obvious that I gotta go stop and refrain. And I need to go learn to love myself, so I don't take it out on someone else. Yeah, I need a little time.
Man, yo, what's up, y'all, man? We at the Loves right now. Trying to check the image. Get y'all right, man. That way when I looked up, when I looked down, yeah, that's perfect. All right, y'all, we going to Loves right now. Give me some food. I'm actually parked for the day. It's like 12 o'clock. What time is it? Yeah, it's like 12 o'clock. I'm gonna start driving again at like probably 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock, whatever. Yeah, tuned in. What's up, y'all? What's up? I want something to snack on, man. Want me something to snack on, man. I'm getting used to walking around with the GoPro on. Honestly, I really want some food. But y'all know, man, I don't know if I really want to go get some food. I just give me a little snack or something. But some chicken strips do sound nice. I ain't gonna bow. You know what? We about to go in there, y'all. Y'all tune in. I'm gonna try not to record going in there, but yeah, man. This gift cards. Oh wait. Oh no, this is just a Love's gift card, and they're rechargeable too. Oh, that's fire. For a Love's gift card, being rechargeable is crazy. Man, y'all, let me know what's a good card to get, like a debit card. I mean, I can get this Visa card. Oh shoot, my band's up. I can get this Visa card, but you know, yeah, what it is. Alright, y'all, we about to go get something to eat, so tune in. Alright, so got the food, let's go. Let's go, got the food, let's go. Y'all tune in, man. Man, I really feel like people want to be on camera, so I'm gonna start recording while I'm in the store. And if they tell me they don't want to be on the camera, I'm not gonna put them on the camera. But man, y'all, we got the food, man. Let's go. Got a 5-piece with some apple pie. You hear me? Let's go. I'm about to eat, about to munch down. I ain't even gonna bap. I'm gonna shut down. And my student probably gonna be hungry too, so he could probably get him something, man. So hopefully, man, we run into some cool trucks, man. Like, look at that over there. That looks pretty cool. But I'm loving this, y'all. This vlogging, it's cool, man. It's real cool. It's real cool, man. I'm finally able to give y'all the journey, man. The blowouts, the breakdowns, the stress, the happiness, the taxes. I'm giving it all to y'all. Maybe one day, if I get it approved by my operation manager, I can talk about my pay. But for right now, we're not gonna talk about that. But man, look at this area, man. I love this vlog, and like, look, check that truck out in there. That truck is nice. That's a real nice truck, man. We gotta get that one day, man. Y'all gotta subscribe. Y'all gotta blow me up, man, so we can purchase a nice truck, man. We still I'm thinking about purchasing Ken, but Ken just giving me so many problems. If y'all don't know who Ken is, look at that yellow one. Nice. If y'all don't know who Ken is, it's my blue Kenworth truck. I named it Ken. So Ken has been giving me problems. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Ken has been cutting up. Ken has been cutting up. Let me show y'all a repair I had to do. Do y'all see the repair? This saved me about $500. Yes, sir. Duct tape, Gorilla. It's actually Gorilla tape. But yeah, man, Ken needed some service, and I did that, man. I did that. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to get in this truck and eat. Check it out a little bit, man. Make sure everything good, everything good. The pin ain't pulled. We're gonna check our lock back here. Then we're gonna get in the truck, man, cause I'm hungry. I wanna turn me a movie on. I gotta finish watching Night Agent, man. Y'all comment down below some cool movies I can watch, man. For real, don't be scared either. Comment down below some cool movies I can watch. But anyways, y'all, let's get in the truck and eat, man, cause I'm hungry, man. This apple pie, 5-piece. Oh, it came with a drink. I gotta go back up in there and get it. Ain't gonna eat itself, man. Let's go.